Hey there, and welcome to Sociology 210 or Introduction to Sociology. I hope you're excited about this course, which will begin on Monday morning. Let me introduce myself to you. I'm Miss Guy, and I am the sociology instructor here at Nash Community College, and I'm super happy to have you in my class. Even though it's online and we probably won't get a lot of face-to-face time, I am happy to have you, and I hope that you are excited to be in classes on Monday. Let me go ahead and just kind of walk you through some things, show you what to expect starting on Monday, and hopefully this video will get you prepared. For starters, let me first show you how to get to Moodle, because this is an online class. So your platform for completing this online class is in Moodle. When you go to Nash Community College's website, you will be able to click on this orange button at the top that says Student Portal. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will open up, and you are going to then click on Curriculum Moodle. Make sure you click on the words Curriculum Moodle. When you click there, you'll be taken to a sign-in screen. Now, I'm not taken to a sign-in screen because I'm already signed in, getting ready to show you some things, but at this point, you'd see a sign-in screen. You would put in your Nash Community College username and password. So your username is essentially the first part of your email address. Just drop the @ and everything after. And then your password is the exact same password that you're using to get into your email account. So when you put in that username and password, you have the option to complete a student orientation here that you're seeing in the middle, and then all your courses will be listed over to the right. If you have begun some courses, then you'll see the courses that have already started, but if you're waiting for courses to open on Monday, you will not see items that you can click on the right-hand side until Monday morning. At least about 8 o'clock is when they begin to open. So once Monday morning rolls around and you see SOC 210 OL60 or OL61 pop up on the side, you'll be able to click on that and access our course. So this is what you will see when you get into our course. There's some important documents here at the top. So this is the same welcome video that you're watching now. If you don't have a chance to watch it over the weekend, this is the same email, the video link that was emailed out to you. Then you'll have your course syllabus and your due dates. So due dates, deadlines for this semester are Monday nights, no later than 11:55 p.m. I'm choosing Monday nights because a lot of times students work on the weekends, but I don't want to do Sunday nights, because if you have a question over the weekend, you may need to get in touch with me via email. All right, and then scrolling down, there is a discussion board where it's always open for you to ask questions of me or about the content that we're discussing, and information on how to look at your grades. Once you go past that, you will only be able to see this section here called the Enrollment Verification activity. On Monday morning, when you can access this course, this is the first and only thing that you can do. You have to do this before the rest of the course will open up for you. So you will click on this first link that says Enrollment Verification Activity. It's going to ask you a few questions. You're going to check the answers, and then it's going to push you into an online orientation course. This online orientation course is the same thing that you can access from the Moodle page once you sign in. It's called the Student Orientation on this page. Once you complete this online orientation, it's going to ask you to submit the certificate of completion into this link here. If you have already done this, So over the weekend, you can do this and earn that certificate by clicking in this button, continue here on this screen. Or if you've already had a class this semester that has asked you to do this, you only have to do this orientation one time. You can download the certification and submit it into multiple classes. The only catch is the certificate has to say 2022-2023 school year. So you cannot use an old certificate if you have it. So once you complete that little tidbit on Moodle, shows you how to do online courses and how to submit things and how to maneuver through Moodle, you'll submit that certificate. Once you do that, the rest of the course will open up for you. I'm going to show you the textbook section because that is very important. We have an ETextbook in this course, and you do need the ETextbook. There are graded assignments in the course that are only accessible through the eText. If you have not purchased the eText, I need you to go ahead and get that done. It is very important that you access that eTextbook and go ahead and get started because they do affect your grade. So once you get into the course and complete the enrollment verification activity and the online certification, you'll first click this invitation link. That will take you to the screen where you will create your Pearson account and put in the access code for the textbook. And after you do that, after you set that up the very first time, you will never need to click the invitation link again. You can always click on the login site. All right. And from there, we will be prompted to getting started in session 1. But no need to talk about session 1 right now because that comes with a whole nother set of directions and a whole nother direction video. So the only thing that I want to reiterate to you is that you cannot see this Moodle course until Monday morning. When Monday morning rolls around, you will need to log into Moodle, get into our course, and go ahead and get started. Make sure that you spend some time reading the course syllabus. That is very important that you understand the contract between you and I as instructor and student. And make sure that you understand the deadlines and the late work policy so your grades are not affected. If you have any specific questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at any time. I'm happy to communicate with you via email. If you would rather, we can certainly meet face-to-face if you're on campus, or we can always do video chats and meet electronically. I just want you to know that I'm here to help you. I just need to know if you need help. So please do not hesitate to reach out. I hope that you have a fantastic weekend and get some rest and get ready to get started in SOC 210 on Monday. I look forward to working with you this semester.